How to send the same message to multiple contacts on Facebook Messenger. What's up everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can send a bulk message to different contacts on your Facebook Messenger app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Messenger app, and from here make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you are inside your app, you'll see a little pencil icon on the top right corner. You just have to tap on it to create a new message. Now here you have to type in a name of person or a group. So you can just choose the person, and if you want to add multiple people, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to add another one. Now once that is done, here, Messenger will automatically create a new group for these people, so you can add multiple people here. Then you can type in your messages or anything that you want to send. Then you can just go ahead and send the message. Now, as you can see here, a new group has been created automatically, and all of the people on the group will be able to see the same message. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.